Let's look at water quality now. Communities all over Wisconsin struggling with toxic PFAS contamination in their water supply. And our state natural resources department, it's relying on a decades-old spills law to clean up emerging forever chemicals and hold businesses accountable. If you win the White House, would that lead to further federal regulation of PFAS?
Well, let me start with this. My commitment to these issues is longstanding. You may know, 20 years ago when I was elected DA of San Francisco, I created one of the first environmental justice units of any DA's office in the country. I, as Attorney General of California, was a real leader on making sure that we enforced rules and standards that were about reducing PFAS, about what we need to do to obviously writ large reduce greenhouse gas emissions and also hold polluters accountable. And so this is longstanding work and really, frankly, a deep-seated and longstanding commitment that I have to addressing these issues, including during the time I've been vice president, where we are in the process of delivering nearly $2 billion in funding to help Wisconsin and the communities within Wisconsin address toxic PFAS chemicals, including the work that we are also doing, which I've been a leader on, frankly, which is dealing with lead pipes and eliminating lead pipes, and then, of course, protecting the Great Lakes from the climate crisis. And I just have to also mention that this is in great contrast to my opponent. Donald Trump refused to protect communities from PFAS, and he has sided again and again with polluters rather than with the families of Wisconsin. And I think there's a big contrast here on a very critical issue in terms of the public health and well-being of Wisconsinites.